Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we're making something simple but seriously delicious, homemade tahini and hummus. It's super easy to make, especially if you have a food processor, but even a blender will get the job done. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we will start by making this tahini. We will need 1 cup of hulled sesame seeds. Pour this into your pan to toast. We will stir more often once they start to brown. You want them light golden, not dark, and that usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes on medium to low heat. When they begin browning, stir them a bit more often so they don't burn. If you're nervous about burning them, just keep stirring. When they're ready, pour them into your food processor or blender and blend until you get a thick paste. If you're using a food processor, this will only take a couple of minutes. A blender might take a little longer, and that's fine. Once you've got that paste, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and blend again. If it's too thick, just stop and give it a quick stir or blend it in smaller batches. Then I like to add about a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt. This recipe makes a good amount, so you'll have extra to store in an airtight container. You want your tahini to be smooth and creamy, not gritty, so make sure it's blended well. Okay, now for the hummus. We will start with a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. Drain them well, then add them to your blender or food processor. I don't have a lot of room to blend, so I blend half at a time. To the chickpeas, I add 2 tablespoons of oil and blend until it is creamy. If you need a splash of water, add it slowly so it doesn't get too thin. For the second half of the chickpeas, add 2 cloves of garlic, just cut them in half, and about a 1/4 of a red bell pepper. Blend this nicely, then add in some of the other blended chickpeas and mix it all up. Now, combine everything and add about a 1/4 cup of that homemade tahini. Mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. Season with salt, pepper, and a little Italian seasoning or whatever you like. This was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you have gotten any value out of this, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who loves good food. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.